In this video, I'll show you how to increase motion on X.com, also known as Twitter, by turning off the reduce motion setting. This is a quick and easy change, and it can make the platform feel more animated and responsive when you scroll, tap, and browse. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open X.com or Twitter and make sure you're logged into your account. On the left navigation bar, click on More. This will open up the additional menu options. From there, click on Settings and Privacy. Once the Settings page opens, look for Accessibility, Display and Languages and click on that option. After that, select Accessibility menu. You'll see a setting called Reduce Motion. All you need to do is toggle Reduce Motion off. Turning this off allows more motion and animations to appear across the platform. Once that switch is disabled, you're all set. You've successfully increased motion on X.com or Twitter. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.